You only have the good. Our life is most boring. We'll be like monsters. If we only have everything our way, we'll become monsters. So at least suffering, apart from that, suffering also serves 4 functions. The first is diagnostic. Just like when our body has some pain, the pain is very important. We know we see the doctor to find out what's wrong with us. Similarly, when we feel unhappy, when we feel unease, when we suffer mentally, there's something in our life is out of balance. There's something is not quite right with our lives. So it's diagnostic. Maybe we spend too much time on our work, ignore our family. Maybe sometimes we do not have enough sleep, we overwork, do not have enough sleep. Our body is crying out for rest. And suffering is also curative. Because once you realize there's something wrong with our life, then it'll trigger a search for meaning, you trigger the urge to make changes. So when we make positive changes, our life will be better. Thirdly, suffering is redemptive. My friend McAdams read a story, The Redemptive Life. It's a beautiful story about human beings, is that they're capable of finding ways to redeem their life. For many middle-aged people, they realize time very short. They want to make amends for their past mistakes. So they began to change for the better. So life is redemptive. Suffering is redemptive. Finally, suffering contributes to our growth. That all the great things in life, all the good things in life are on our side of suffering. If you want to live an easy life, then you never amount to anything. Our Chinese saying is that you have to suffer than most people in order to be better than most people. So that you have to suffer a lot more if you want to excel. So if you don't want to suffer, then all your aspiration to develop potential, to achieve great things for God or for society cannot be realized unless you're willing to pay the price, make the sacrifice.